Okay, so I made it, finally. It just seems this summer's boondocking and been kind of skimpy. Every time I think I'm all ready to go, then something else happens, you know? Murphy needs to find someplace else to live, that's for sure. So, got in here yesterday, kind of late. It was hot, so I didn't do much. Just kind of sat around, you know, and tried to stay cool. Brought Lily with me this time, but not without a fight. She finally let me get her, grab a hold of her. But once I get a hold of her, you know, and start out for the truck, she calms right down. So she buries her face, you know, so she can't see. Buries her face in my shoulder. But you know, it takes her 10-15 minutes, and then she's back to the same old Lily she always was in the camper. You know, jumping up and down and running back and forth to the food and to the water and all that. So she's a pretty good kitty cat. Doesn't take her too long to get settled in. Let's see, what else? There was some campers on the way up. I can't see them, so that's good. You know how that goes. Like I always say, it's not that I don't like people. Smoke. Not that I don't like people, it's just I like them better when I can't see them. So, but you know, it looks like they've been there for a while. And well, today's Friday, so I'll be expecting some aliens to come in here pretty soon. There's a couple last night, but they were going pretty slow. So it's getting pretty late in the season, so maybe things will settle down. But the campers on the way in were big motorhomes, big Class A's, and looks like, like I said, it looked like they've been there for a while. So maybe they'll be packing it up, I don't know. But, you know, they can stay down there. I don't care. They can stay down there all they want. I was so loaded when I came up, I intended to stay, you know, at least till the first snow. And then we'll go from there. But I was so loaded up with everything that I've got empty water bottles. I had them stuffed all over the place. So there in a day or two, I've got about 3 gallons or so left, so of water. So, you know, in the next 2 or 3 days, maybe Monday, I'll go get some water. There's a camping place down the road there, a ways, that has free water with 50-gallon max. So, you know, I've got 25 gallons. That should be enough for quite a while for me. I can make a gallon last a day. Sometimes a day and a half, just depends on, you know, how warm it is and all that. Drink my coffee, gotta have coffee. It's gonna be bright and sunny for the next, the near future. So solar should be pretty good. I'm in that one spot. I'm in that one spot that I always go to. A tree fell while I was gone. I'll show you that after a while. I'll go for a walk and take a look around. In the summer, the solar is right straight above my head, so I get pretty good solar all day. But then, you know, about this time of year, it starts, you know, a little sinking a little lower in the sky. So I'm still getting pretty good solar, but we'll see. I brought the generator, of course, if I have to. But you know, like I always say, if things start getting tight, I just start shutting things off. And, you know, I pretty much entertain myself without having to, you know, the TV and the computer and all those things that you bring with you from home so you can be at home in the forest. That's not me, you guys know that. Okay, I think that's about it. Yeah, I'll talk to you later.